So today we are going to be talking about this face cream. I have been using this face cream for a while and we are going to be reviewing it today. I'm going to be giving you my honest review about this particular product. So I'm just showing you what the packaging looks like. This is the expiry date, manufacturer date here, and this is the brand. So this is the Disaar Snail Mucin Multi-Action Face Cream. This face cream is amazing, and honestly, I got it with a double mind, but I am honestly blown away by the results, by the smoothing effect, by the ingredients of this particular product. So as you can see the packaging, it looks similar to Cosrx face cream, the Korean face cream, but it is not it. This is a product of Disaar. I know some a lot of people are going to say, oh, why did they copy them like that? But honestly, the fact that they copied their packaging and the text, everything does not mean that this particular product is not nice. Okay, I'm going to show you the texture and everything. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, camera is not picking up well, but so this is what it looks like, and it is really nice. So first of all, we are going to look at the ingredients of this particular face cream. So going over to the ingredients, it has water, it has butylene glycol, like it has humectant, it has emollient, it has antioxidants. Like this particular face cream is bombarded, and the seventh ingredient, the sixth ingredient, actually it contains is dimeticon, which is a silicone. Is like a silicone, like a humectant, and all of those things that really helps to hydrate and moisturize the skin and trapping moisture into the skin. Do you understand? And then on the seventh list, it has snail secretion filtrate. I always look out for ingredient listing and the numbers at which the active ingredient is contained. I always tell you the first seven ingredients on an ingredient list of a particular skincare product is very important. Okay, so this one, the seventh here, is a snail secretion filtrate, which actually makes this an actual snail face cream. And then it goes ahead to contain ingredients like retinol palmitate, which is a milder form of retinol that helps with fine lines, that helps to boost collagen, that helps with smoothing of the skin, that helps with skin cell turnover. It also contains allantoin that helps with irritation, like it's like an anti-irritation ingredient. It has centella acetica extract, which is also very amazing. It has sodium hyaluronate. It has hydrolyzed collagen. So this is, I would say, this is an upgraded version. For me personally, this is an upgraded version of the face cream I was using before, which is a snail collagen whitening face cream that I was using before. This is honestly an upgrade, and I got this thinking it might not be good, but honestly it is amazing. So these are the ingredients, and the ingredients are very good. I am impressed with their top seven ingredients, which also describes why this particular face cream is the way it is. If you have used this face cream before, let us know in the comment section how you saw it. So now let's look at the texture and the consistency of this face cream. So it has a white cover. So when you open it up like this, it comes out this way. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So yeah, this is it. Like, I don't know if you can see, but I've really used this particular face cream and I honestly love it. So I'm not going to be applying it on my face because I already have my sunscreen and everything on my face. So I'm going to be applying it on my hands here. This thing, it seeps into your skin. it seeps into the skin instantly, like it penetrates into the skin and it gives you that soft feel. Do you understand? It gives you that soft feel. I was actually thinking, oh, will this thing break me out as someone that has oily, reactive skin sometimes? It did not break me out. I have been using this face cream now for over a week, almost 2 weeks. I've not gotten any sign of reaction. I've not had any rashes. I've not had anything. As I said, I was really scared of totally changing my other face cream because since over a year, I have been using the collagen snail whitening face cream. I try out other face creams, but just for trying sake, I have never totally left out buying it, like it's finished and then I bought a new one totally. That was what I did with this one. I was really, really scared, but honestly, I am impressed with this particular face cream. When you apply it on your face, it gives you this shine on your face. It doesn't feel oily. I have oily skin, by the way. So, yes, if you have oily skin, you can use this. If you have dry skin, you are absolutely going to love this because it sinks into your skin. The moisture gets locked into your skin, and your skin looks very, 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 very soft and moisturized all day long. Just make sure to use your sunscreen. Okay, even when the days I don't use my sunscreen, my face still remains moisturized. But I am not going to use my face here as a total standard for this particular face cream because I have oily skin. So, but for people that have dry skin, I believe that this particular face cream is still going to leave your face properly moisturized. How much did I get this face cream? I got it about 7,000 naira or 7,005. So it is super duper affordable. Do you understand? So if you love snail creams, if you want a face cream that will not irritate your skin, a face cream that will not give you sunburn and all of those things, just go for this face cream. If you're on a budget and you want a face cream that has an anti-aging benefit, go for this. The other one I had the snail collagen face cream, it had hydrolyzed collagen, but this one now has hydrolyzed collagen and it has retinol palmitate, which is a plus. Do you understand? It has, which is a plus. It has vitamin E. Like, I am really, really impressed with the ingredients list. It is very, very good. This is going to plump your skin. Like all of you that have been recently complimenting my face, the smoothness of my face. It is this particular face cream. This is the face cream that has been giving me a smooth face. This is the face cream that has been plumping my skin and glowing my skin. For those of you that are looking for brightening and all of those things, this is not a brightening face cream. This, I would say, is a moisturizing, hydrating, feminine face cream. Okay, this is not a lightening face cream. This is not a brightening face cream. If you are looking for a face cream to brighten you, it is not this one. But let's say you are someone that has a face irritation, like you are having sensitivity on your skin, you are having like sunburn and all of those things, this face cream is going to be amazing for your skin because it is so calming, it is so gentle on the skin. So yes, I would recommend this for anybody looking for a very good face cream on a budget, looking for an anti-aging face cream on a budget. You can honestly go for this particular face cream and you are absolutely going to love it. So if you have used it before or you're considering using it and you're looking for a video to actually know whether to buy it or not, yes, go for it. But remember, it is not brightening, it is not lightening, it is just a hydrating, moisturizing face cream. And it goes well with your sunscreen. Like recently, I have been forcing myself to be very consistent with my sunscreen, even on days I don't go out. But mostly, it's usually a challenge for me because most times I'm inside the house and I get to sweat. But with this face cream, I don't sweat. Even after layering my serums, my face heat, and then applying my sunscreen, I don't sweat. I don't get that, I'm feeling hot on my face. No, I don't. You can use it morning and night. I use it morning and night. Okay, so that is it. For those that would say, how will I know original? I don't know, but this is exactly how this particular face cream is, okay? It doesn't come sealed. It is not sealed. It comes like this. It comes like this. So in case you see it and it is not sealed, it is not fake. This is exactly how it comes. So if you still have confusions about how to choose the best face cream for your skin type, or you have issues in building a very sustainable face routine or body routine and you need help, I offer one-on-one skin consultation on WhatsApp. If you're interested, you can hit me up on this number on the screen on WhatsApp. Let me help you set up your face routine, help you to recommend products that are going to work for your skin type, for your skin issues, to help you to achieve your dream skin. Yeah, that's all for today's review. If you have any questions, any concerns, let us know in the comment section. And yeah, I will see you on any of these videos right here. Let's continue our skincare conversations. Bye.